असम के चीफ मिनिस्टर हिमंता बिस्वा शर्मा ने असम के सांस्कृतिक प्रतीक जुबिन गर्ग की मौत के मामले में एक हैरान कर देने वाली खुलासा किया है। उन्होंने कहा कि सिंगापुर में जुबिन गर्ग की मौत एक दुर्घटना नहीं बल्कि हत्या का मामला है।
People are under judicial custody. Everyone is being forwarded on a case of murder. So it is not a new revelation from me. This is the position from the day one.
So, regarding the search sheet, when the police is actually
police is duty bound to submit a search sheet within 90 days from the days of arrest. If it is a case of murder or if it is a case for life imprisonment as well as other serious imprisonment or serious penalties. So our time is 90 days from the first of arrest. But to be in safer side, we have taken 90 days from the date of incident. From that angle, we should submit the search sheet 18 or 19 December. But we want to be little more cautious. So that is why we have internally decided that we will file the search sheet somewhere around 8 December.
Sir, regarding the SIT into Ali Tokir's sake, if you can say
that we will take up once we complete the investigation and search sheet of Jubiin Garg, because we don't want to give we don't want to do things simultaneously. That report is with me only. But if I will now give the report, then people will say that I am trying to divert the issue. So I do not want to divert the issue. Once we file the search sheet of Jubiin Garg, then we will take up Ali Tokir case.